Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make glutinous rice flan, only way. Rinse and soak the rice, then measure ingredients precisely and preheat your steamer. Warm coconut milk with sugar until dissolved, temper eggs slowly so the custard stays silky, and set up a tight-lidded steam environment to avoid water droplets. Keep everything ready to layer quickly and steam gently for an evenly set flan with a glossy finish. Steam the soaked glutinous rice gently until each grain is tender but still distinct. After steaming, fold in a small portion of warm coconut milk to keep the rice moist and enhance flavor. Use a wooden spoon to combine without crushing the grains, then press the rice evenly into your baking pan so the base is uniform and compact for neat slicing after the final steam and chill. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty techniques. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth. It helps you think clearly about saving so you can treat yourself to kitchen tools guilt-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Take a quick minute if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk eggs and sugar until combined, then slowly pour in warm coconut milk while stirring to temper and prevent curdling. Pour this custard gently over the pressed rice base to create an even shiny layer, then cover the pan tightly with foil to stop steam droplets. Steam on low heat so the custard sets uniformly without bubbling, then cool completely before refrigerating to firm up and slice cleanly for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.